So now we're going to multiply a monomial times a polynomial. So if you're given this problem right here, 3 parentheses 5x minus 8, what would you come up with? So just try that. What would you get? Did you get 15x minus 24? Yes, because you took 3 times 5x and 3 times 8. What did you use? What property? Exactly, you used distributive property. So we've been using that for a while, and here's the really cool thing. This is a monomial, 3 is a monomial, times a binomial, right? 2 terms. So you've been doing multiplying a monomial times a polynomial. So you've been doing that. Now, combined with, you already have learned that if you multiply like bases, what do you do with the exponents? So multiply like bases. Let me give you an example. If I have x to the third times x to the fifth, what do I do with my exponents? I add them. That's right. When I multiply, I add my exponents. So I get x to the 8th. So we're going to take 2 concepts you already know, and we're going to use it to multiply a monomial times a polynomial. Okay, so here we go. We're going to take 4x times 5x. I multiply the coefficients and I get 20. X times x is x squared. Now I take 4x times 9. I get negative 36. X. And we're done. That's it. Okay, here I'm going to take a monomial times a trinomial. But guess what? We still do the same thing. We're going to multiply all of this out. Now you do not have to draw these arcs. To tell you the truth, when I do these problems, I put my finger here and then I do this. 5x times 3x squared, 15x cubed. I know, really exciting. 5x times 4x, 5 times 4 is 20, x times x is x squared. 5x times 6, 30x. Okay? Oh, whoops, I made a mistake on this one right down here. That should be an exponent of 2. That should be an exponent of 2. Sorry about that. That's an exponent of 2. Okay? Do you think you can do it? You want to try it? Try it. Go. So when we multiply here, we're going to take 5 times 3, which is 15. X squared times x squared. When I multiply, I add my exponents. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 times 1. X squared times x is x cubed minus 20x squared. How'd you do? I'm guessing pretty good. Now let's multiply here. 4 times 4 is 16. X to the 3 plus 2, which is 5, minus 36x cubed. That's all there is to it. Let's look at the homework, see if there's anything tough there. Okay, we've done one like that, like that. Oh, we have 2 variables. Not a big deal there. Ooh, no, we just did one like that. Not a biggie. 2 variables, but no variable on the outside. Yeah, I would do either 14 or 16 if you were in the classroom right now. I'm guessing you'd be choosing one of those. Let's see. Which one looks harder? I'm going to do 16. I'm going to leave 14 to you. So if I do number 16, I'm still going to do the same thing. 9 times 1 is 9. B squared, U squared. Now, usually you write these in alphabetical order. Alphabet. A, B, C, D, U. Okay, U comes before V, I believe. Yes, it does. So U squared, B squared, plus 9, U, V, there's 2 plus 1 is 3. 9 times 5 is 45. V squared times V squared. When I multiply, add the exponents. That's all there is to it. Shortest video I believe I've ever done for a math class. Okay, so that's multiplying a polynomial times a monomial, and you already know how to do most of it. So yay! If you have questions, you know where to find us.